What you're going to need is some white cake mix and icing, some green food coloring, some jelly beans, and some chewy candies like Airheads and Tootsie Rolls. You're also going to need everything in order to make the cake batter: some cupcake liners, a cupcake pan, a fork, and an ice cream scoop. First, make the cake batter according to the instructions on the box. Then add 1 cup of jelly beans. Now, put 1 ice cream scoop of batter into each cupcake liner. Then bake them according to the instructions on the box. While the cupcakes are baking, dye your icing green. Now, mold your candies into thin worm shapes. Then, bend them into a U shape. After that, put them in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Now that the cupcakes have had time to cool, it's time to decorate. First, put a generous amount of green icing on top of each cupcake. Then, use your fork to create some grassy-like designs on top. After that, place 3 jelly beans in the center of each one. Then, press the U shapes inside of them, but not too deep. This will create the handles. Thanks for watching. This was simple, easy, fun, and sweet. If you liked what you saw, click that like button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click that subscribe button. If you have any questions, suggestions, concerns, or ideas, please put those in the comments section below. Also, don't forget, for updates and more, you can follow me on Twitter, G+, and Instagram at MissStarTv. And don't forget, we're now on Patreon. If you want to become a part of our star family and support our videos, please do so, and it will be greatly appreciated. Thanks again, you guys. Bye.